We're delving deeper into user-specific environmental variables in Linux, broadening our focus beyond the familiar home to include a variety of variables that significantly enhance and personalize your Linux experience. Diving into the home environmental variable. The home variable represents your private territory in the Linux file system. When you enter echo $home in the terminal, it reveals your personal directory. For example, on my system, it displays /home/dt, the default location for all my personal files and configurations. Now I go to the DT directory and type ls, and you see all my personal files like documents, desktop, etc. Home is a cornerstone in scripting and configuration, serving as a dependable pointer to your personal space, ensuring consistency and ease of reference. Exploring other user-specific environmental variables. Let's explore the path variable. Run echo $path in the terminal. The output, which lists directories, are in that shows where Linux searches for executable files. It's essential for the system to locate and execute programs efficiently, as we mentioned in the earlier tutorial as well. Now, let's examine the lang language variable. Execute echo $lang and you'll see it returns an _US UTF-8. This indicates the system language is set to English, United States, and it uses UTF-8 encoding, impacting everything from system messages to character rendering. Adding custom scripts to environmental variables. Suppose you have a custom script named update_script in your user directory, and you want to execute it from anywhere. To run it from anywhere, you need to add its to-user variable location to your path environmental variable in .bashrc. If not added, you might encounter an error message indicating that the script is not found. Take a look simple example before going to our custom scripts example. Let's if I am in DT user directory and type if config, it will display IP address configuration. And if I move to DT/document directory and run again same command, I am getting consist output of IP address configuration. But how it's happening because of environmental variables knows where to find IP configuration. Similar example we will see for our custom scripts. As you can see in the documents folder, I have update scripts. However, if I try to run these scripts from a location other than the documents folder, I will encounter an error. Therefore, to be able to run them from anywhere, it's necessary to add their path to the environmental variable for the user DT. I need to include this in the bashrc environmental files path. So let's see how we can add it in our DT user environmental variable path. Opening .bashrc. To edit .bashrc, type nano.bashrc in your terminal. This opens the file in the Nano text editor. In the .bashrc file, scroll to the end or find an appropriate section to modify the path variable. I'm adding it the value, and you can see in highlighted area my variable path name and value. After adding the line, save the file and exit the editor. In Nano, you do this by pressing Ctrl+X, then pressing Y and hitting Enter. For the changes to take effect, you need to reload the .bashrc file. In the terminal, type source/home/dt/.bashrc. To ensure your path has been updated correctly, you can echo the path variable by typing echo $path. In conclusion, the .bashrc file is a powerful tool for customizing your Linux environment. It controls aspects from the behavior of your shell to the convenience of command executions. Understanding and modifying .bashrc allows you to tailor your command line experience to your needs. Thanks for following this guide and stay tuned for more Linux tutorials.